Traditional litter boxes often rely on plastic and disposable materials, adding to waste and pollution. PETLUX is here to make a big change. Meet the largest automatic litter box on the market, perfect for big cats like the Maine Coon, Persian, Norwegian Forest Cat, and Ragdoll. Spacious yet compact, PETLUX fits seamlessly into your home, giving your cat comfort without compromise. This is the only litter box that's 100% waterproof, meaning no leaks, no rubber seals, and no silicone mats that wear out from scratching or digging. Its seamless, scratch-resistant design offers superior hygiene, with no dirty crevices, just effortless cleaning and maintenance. Looking for an eco-friendly solution? PETLUX supports sustainable waste management with options like biodegradable paper liners or a reusable stainless steel bin, eliminating the need for plastic bags. PETLUX also features a replaceable air filter that keeps your home fresh by trapping odors effectively for up to 60 days, ensuring a clean environment for you and your cat. Unlike traditional litter boxes that use other types of plastic and heavy waterproofing chemicals, PETLUX is crafted from durable, recyclable PE plastic. This makes it stronger, longer lasting, and easier to recycle, protecting both your cat and the environment. Chosen by pet owners who care about sustainability and convenience, PETLUX is the future of litter boxes. Join the movement for a cleaner, greener home and see how we're making a positive impact for you, your cat, and the planet.